Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to block someone on Grindr. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. You can see over here Grindr application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So you'll be able to block the people that have messaged you. So in order to block them, for that what you have to do is simply tap on the inbox option that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the inbox interface. You'll be able to see all of your inbox over here. Simply tap on the chat of the person that you want to block. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at top, you'll be able to see their profile and name over here. Simply tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see their profile. So if you want to block them, for that over here, you'll be able to find this kind of icon. Simply tap on it. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find two options over here, block, report. Simply tap on the option block. Now after you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to block this user? Tap on this option, yes. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular person will be blocked. So like this, you'll be able to block them. So that is how you block someone on Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.